Hey guys, I want to show you how to quickly remove a sound that you do not want in your recording. This is really useful if you are doing audiobooks, adding separate sound to your video. I love using Adobe. I am self-taught. Good experience, and if you're looking for empowering life lessons, podcasting tips, and sound editing tutorials, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos. Let's play it. Hi, I'm Leslie D. Nurse, author of How to Turn a Breakup into a Breakthrough and Move On Like a Boss. Now, I like the sound. This is great. Say, I'm going to make this a little bit smoother, actually. Now, the great thing about Audition is that Adobe Audition, you can create your own little playlist. So all your favorite functions, all of these were created. I do have the standard. For example, family's Caribbean, so I tend to go pss, pss, pss a lot. So you can use the Esser to kind of tone down sounds. If you have a noisy background, you have the TV on, denoise is good, but you have to be careful with denoise because it can really get rid of the sound, but it also, I find, affect the quality of your recording as well. Hey guys, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post regular tips for podcasters, entrepreneurs, and those looking to transform their lives one lesson at a time. So that's why I prefer to my own. See down here, that's my own denoise style. And fade in. Love this. Usually you can use something like this at the beginning of your recording. I have saved a smooth fade in. I find that it's more effortless. So in this case, I like the way it sounds in the beginning, but just for a quick lesson, maybe there was something that I didn't do. I can select this. Now, I don't like the sound. Let's just say I didn't like the sound and I wanted to change it or get rid of it. I can either do auto heal, but in this case, let's see. Let's do auto heal. Look what it did. It erased it. You didn't hear it, right? So let's do auto heal. It comes back. Now, auto heal is pretty cool. It's like a subtle silence in a way. Let's say there's a sound that you don't like and maybe you were a little groggy when you were pronouncing. Select what you want and then you use auto and that would heal it. I also find what you can do in a case like that, you can select it. Let's see. Spread it out. Let's say there was like a little sound I didn't like and I personally do it this way. And then I do right click and then I do cut, and just take that little part out. If you learned something today, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials or podcast episodes. And if you're listening to my Leslie's Lessons podcast, be sure to subscribe there too for more real-life inspiration and audio tips. Let's grow together.